obey Him. He forgives sin, a role only God has. When the Pharisees and the Sadducees brought to him the woman caught in adultery, and they said, this woman was caught in adultery, and she must stone to death. But Jesus told him, any one of you who have not sinned, throw the first stone. Then, one by one left started from the elders. And neither Jesus condoned his sin, but he said, go and sin no more. He gives life like God does. Of course, hindi lang kay Lazaro. He raised the daughter of Jairus. He raised the son of the widow, and more others. But the most dramatic and the most powerful is the raising of Lazarus. You know why? Because Lazarus has been dead already 4 days and is already starting to decompose. That's the power of God. He is the judge. He is to judge the earth. For we must all appear before the judgment seat of Christ. He claims straightforwardly to be God. He applies the name of God, I am, to himself. In fact, today, he said, I am the bread that came down from heaven. Anyone who consumes me will have eternal life. For that, the Jews recognized his claim, attempted to stone him for blasphemy. We are not stoning you for any good works, but blasphemy, because you, a mere man, claim to be God. And also the doubting Thomas, he did not believe because he did not see Jesus Christ. But one day, nung lahat-lahat sila nasa kwarto, bigla na lang lumusot si Jesus Christ. Nagpakita kay Thomas and show him, Thomas, see what you want to see. And Thomas said, my Lord and my God. In short, Thomas exclaimed, He is Lord and God. And Jesus received his worship. It took the late Doy Andrada 4 years to convince me to join the BCBP. Mabuti pa kayo, isang breakfast lang ata, nakumbinsi na kayo eh. Ako, 4 years na paghihirap ni Brother Doy Andrada. Marami akong reservation, marami kong ayaw. I thought gugutumin ang mga anak ko kung sasayangin ko lang yung oras ko dito. Pero para akong si Herodes. You know, every time we met Brother Doy, gustong-gusto ko siya makausap. Ang sarap niyang kausap. Because he speaks everything about God. Not unlike me na ako lang lagi ng ako. Pero, dahil nga marami akong reservation, talagang it took longer than any one of you. But first took pa lang ni Tito Digoy Montalvo on the same topic. I was sitting in front. I felt the hit of every blow that hit me from his testimony. Parang ako ata pinatatamaan ni Brother Digoy. Ang yabang-yabang mo, Jaime. Wala kang utang na loob. Makasarili ka. And many more. Kaya pinapawisan ako. And I felt very sorry. I thought I fall in love with the Lord. In my desire to know Him more, God started. Jesus became my major search in the internet, And the more I know Him, the more I hunger for Him, the more I love Him and desire to serve Him. The entire BCLP made me like a candle that slowly melted from the beginning and reformed me to the new person at the end. After the BCLP, we made a commitment to serve the Lord through the BCBP community. And gustong-gusto ko talagang bumawi. Nag-apply din ako sa simbahan, sa La Paz, nga extra ordinary ministry for the Holy Communion. Recalling why I had given insomnia. Alam nyo kasi, sabi ng nanay ko, pag yung itak daw, pag sobrang purol, pero pag hinasa mo ng hinasa, tatalas din. Kaya, kung hindi insomnia ang binigay sa akin ni Lord, sa palagi ko hindi ako naging engineer. Patay mo 76 yung grade mo sa grade school ka, naging scholar ka, di ba? And that's really a miracle. So, I think yun lang talaga ang paraan, no? Para makagraduate ako sa college na libre. And why He closed our company? When I asked for a house, inaasahan ko pa naman na i-promote ako, tapos lalaki ng sweldo.